Assalamu alaikum, nature enthusiast. Welcome back to Nature, Environment and Lifestyle. We are going to explore the wonders of our natural world. Today, we are diving into the fascinating lives of one of the most beloved creatures on the planet, penguins. Penguins are extraordinary flightless birds, equipped with flippers instead of wings. Their unique bodies are masterfully adapted for life in the water. They can reach impressive speed of up to 15 miles per hour while swimming and diving. When it comes to diet, penguins have quite the palate. They primarily feast on krill, a shrimp-like crustacean, as well as squids and fishes. Interestingly, different species have varied food preferences, reducing competition among them. There are 28 types of penguins that walk the earth. Some of the notable ones include the African penguin, northern rockhopper penguin, king penguin, fairy penguin, and the yellow-eyed penguin. Penguins are exclusively found in the southern hemisphere. The largest populations inhabit the Antarctic coast and sub-Antarctic islands. Out of the 18 species, 5 live in Antarctica and another 4 species are found in sub-Antarctic islands. With their large heads, short necks, and elongated bodies, penguins have a distinctive look. Their tails are short, stiff, and wedge-shaped, and their legs and webbed feet are positioned far back on their bodies, giving them their signature upright posture on land. Penguins also have fascinating adaptation for surviving the harshest conditions. Their feathers are stiff and form a tightly overlapping shield against wind, storms, and cold water. Underneath their skin, a thick layer of fat provides extra insulation. And on the coldest days at their breeding grounds, emperor penguins are known to huddle together for warmth. Penguin lifespan can vary greatly, ranging from 6 to 27 years, depending on the species and environmental factors. Penguins truly are incredible creatures, each species bringing its own unique charm and adaptability to the table. I hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as I did. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Nature, Environment and Lifestyle. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world. Bye.